Mara ngapi? Kabla
Oya, nafasi hapo, nafasi.
The normal course of clearance of a bus, passenger bus that was transiting from Tanzania into Nairobi. Members of the Joint Operations Committee intercepted a consignment of a box that had been consigned from Tanzania to Kenya. And it is labeled it's said to contain motor vehicle spares, but upon inquiry, the members of the Joint Operations Committee who are undertaking a routine rummaging of the bus managed to discover a live snake. And the owner of the consignment has not yet been established, but we have the contacts. The bus and driver and the conductor have been arrested. They have been held in custody at Namanga police station to assist the police with investigation. May I take this opportunity to warn all illegal traffickers who are dealing with illegal businesses without valid document to carry out their business. When they will be caught, they will be faced by the law and they will be prosecuted.